Dumpty sat on a wall. He wobbled and giggled, ready to fall. Along came children, clapping with cheer. Humpty laughed loud, spreading joy far and near. Humpty Dumpty danced on the wall, twirling and spinning, he almost did fall. The king's men shouted, "Careful up there!" But Humpty just waved with joy everywhere. Humpty Dumpty rocked side to side. He spread his arms and opened them wide. The horses trotted around with delight, keeping old Humpty safe in their sight. Humpty Dumpty tried to stand tall, balancing slowly, afraid he might fall. The children clapped, "You can do it, friend." His wobbling balance held till the end. Humpty Dumpty slipped just a bit. "Oh no," he cried, "I nearly split." The king's men rushed with laughter and glee. "Don't worry, Humpty, we'll help thee." Humpty Dumpty bounced up high, reaching his hands to the bright blue sky. The birds flew past and cheered on too, singing a song as the sunshine grew. Humpty Dumpty slipped once more, rolling gently across the floor. The horses neighed and formed a ring, protecting their friend like a caring king. Humpty Dumpty laughed with glee. Falling is fun, just wait and see. The king's men chuckled, the children played, everyone danced in the sunny parade. Humpty Dumpty rolled down low, then bounced right back with a magical blow. The wall lit up with sparkles bright, turning the world to a scene of delight. Humpty Dumpty stood once again, cheered by children, horses, and men. He sang out loud, "Let's all be friends." And so the story of Humpty never ends. Woolly black sheep, what do you bring? Soft little bundles for everything. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. Woolly blue sheep, bright as the sky, fluffy and gentle, stacked up high. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. Woolly pink sheep, candy and sweet, cozy and warm from your tiny feet. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. Woolly white sheep, shining with light, your snowy coat makes the world so bright. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. Woolly red sheep, cheerful and bold, bringing us blankets spun of gold. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. Woolly green sheep, grassy and fun, rolling and dancing under the sun. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. Woolly yellow sheep, sunny and bright, filling the meadow with golden light. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. Woolly purple sheep, dreamy and kind, leaving soft sparkles of stars behind. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. Woolly orange sheep, cozy and warm, snuggling us safely through every storm. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. Woolly rainbow sheep, magical glow, sharing your colors wherever you go. One for the farmer, one for the maid, one for the young boy who loves to play. 5 little geese went out to play, over the hills and far away. Mother Goose called honk, 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 but only 4 came back along. 4 little geese flew through the sky, swooping down then flying high. Mother Goose called honk, 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 but only 3 came back along. 3 little geese swam in the stream, floating gently like a dream. Mother Goose called honk, 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 but only 2 came back along. 2 little geese ran through the sand, flapping their wings across the land. Mother Goose called honk, 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 but only 1 came back along. 1 little goose sat on a rock, looking around the grassy dock. Mother Goose called honk, 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 but on came back to Mother's flock. Mother Goose flapped through the breeze, swooping through the fields and trees. She honked out loud, honk, 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 and found 1 goose beside the pond. Then by a log she found 1 more, hiding behind a grassy shore. She said again, honk, honk, honk. Now 3 geese waddled back along. 1 more flew down from a tree, laughing loud in playful glee. Mother called honk, honk, honk. Now 4 geese marched back along. The last one came with a joyful cheer. "Sorry, Mom, I had fun here." She smiled and said, honk, honk, honk. Now all 5 geese came back along. 5 little geese back safe and sound, waddling home they spun around. Mother Goose said honk, 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 and off they went to play along. The furry turtle took a stroll. He walked so slow but reached his goal. He passed the trees, he passed the rocks, he even waved hello to Fox. The rabbits ran and jumped so high, but Turtle smiled and didn't try. For going slow is quite alright, he still gets home before the night. He crossed a stream upon a log and kindly nodded to a frog. The birds flew fast above his shell, but Turtle just said all is well. The bees zipped by with buzzing sound, but Turtle kept his feet on ground. He chewed a leaf, then gave a grin. He knew he'd surely win within. The squirrels dashed fast from tree to tree, but Turtle watched so peacefully. He stopped to smell a blooming rose and took his time from head to toes. He met a hedgehog on the trail who tipped his hat with great detail. Turtle bowed and strolled on slow, enjoying breeze and sun's warm glow. A butterfly came fluttering near and whispered, "Turtle, you bring cheer." Turtle blushed and said with kangaroos hopping near a tree. 1 took a tumble and scraped his knee. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kangaroos hopping that way. 9 little kangaroos hopping in the sun. 1 hit a rock and hurt his bum. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kangaroos jumping today. 8 little kangaroos bouncing with glee. 1 slipped down and skinned his knee. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kangaroos jumping near the tree. 7 little kangaroos racing down the hill. 1 rolled over and sat too still. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kangaroos jumping for thrill. 6 little kangaroos leaping with a cheer. 1 bumped heads and shed a tear. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kangaroos hopping near air. 5 little kangaroos jumping around. 1 lost balance and hit the ground. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kangaroos bouncing down. 4 little kangaroos dancing in a line. 1 slipped slipped off and bruised his spine. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kangaroos, not this time. 3 little kangaroos bouncing with grace. One spun too fast and lost his place. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kangaroos in this race. 2 little kangaroos bouncing with might. One fell hard and gave a fright. Mama called the doctor, what did he say? No more kangaroos in sight. 1 little kangaroo jumping near a tree. He flipped